The main thing you need to do to keep that water from sneaking into your basement is make sure that none of the rainwater will be allowed to gather around the foundation. Now, guttering's a great way to go. Bring the downspout down and maybe extend the downspout like these homeowners have done to move the water further away from the foundation. But they got a little more work to do here, because the border grass like this, or if you have any type of edging, will serve as a dam, and then during heavy rains it'll still push that water against the foundation. Sooner or later it will find its way in the basement. Now, another thing that they've done here that's a great idea is they're in the process of adding some fill dirt that will divert that water and keep it from ponding in this area. Now, once they get their mulch back in place and a few little plants here and there, you'll never know any work has taken place other than no water in the basement.